Hello everyone, this is Teddy the Roofer. We are repairing around this skylight today. The skylight was leaking. It started leaking the same year when the past roofers they installed a new shingle and they replaced this skylight. And they back to trying to fix. They only apply caulking around the skylight around this shingle and was still leaking after that. And the homeowner say a few other roofers come here, they didn't find the leak. The problem was it's not the skylight. The skylight is new. Of course it's not look new right now because I have a lot dust on top of it, but it's not too old. So the problem is not the skylight, the problem is how they install it. All the flashing around was installed wrong. So I'm gonna show you what we did. We removed the shingle around it and we create this cricket here. This is new, we install it. It's a called cricket. So when the water come here, gonna hit here, it's gonna go this way. It's not stays here. The water was ponded here. Now this is gonna kick the water to keep going down to the gutter. And we already covered with ice and water shield. It was leaking all around the skylight, everywhere, because the step flashing here was installed wrong. The piece supposed to go here, they put it against the wall. The step flashing is have one side small, one side big. The big area is supposed to go here and the small here, because here's flashing is gonna cover that, but they installed it wrong. So we are redoing around this skylight. So this is ready now for shingles, and we are already create our flashing. Here is our new flashing. Too windy today. So we're going to install a new flashing around it, new step flashing, new big flashing around this skylight, new shingle, and that will fix the problem they have for a few years. Was leaking a lot. This is Teddy Escobar with Team Exteriors LLC. We do all type of roofing. We fix small jobs, small leak. We do small repairs or big jobs. We do all type of roofing. We do shingles, flat roofs, metal. Give us a like. Thank you for follows, comment and share. Thank you. Bye.